Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about crypto.com coin. And crypto.com coin is an exchange token, just like other exchange tokens like what we see with Binance and KuCoin and a bunch of other tokens like the Voyager token. Crypto.com is its own exchange with its own exchange coin. And it actually has a lot of utility behind it. Crypto.com has the same utility like the Binance coin that we've seen pump from $250 this week all the way up to $600. So I see Crypto.com doing the same exact move as Binance coin. And if we take a look here, the fundamentals are there. So we see that this Crypto.com coin has a lot of utility because when it comes to trading, we get discount trading fees, which is always something that is very annoying for a lot of traders out there, especially when you want to just exchange a coin or buy something else. There's a lot of fees that come with it. Now, every exchange has its different value for the fees that they charge, but if you own one of their exchange coins like crypto.com coin or the CRO coin, then you get discounted fees, which is a great thing. It has great utility because if you're going to be using this exchange, you're going to be wanting to sell your altcoins for something else, right? Because you want to be selling your altcoins and moving to another altcoin or for a stable coin. All those things, it requires trading fees. And when you have the crypto.com coin, then it reduces those fees. So you can use it every day. It's something that has a lot of use as a trader or as an investor. It also has finance utility. It has here stake CRO and earn up to 18% in this passive income with crypto earn. Payments, you can stake CRO as a validator on the crypto.com chain and earn fees on the network. Use CRO to settle block transaction settlement fees, earn up to 20% back cash back paying merchants online and offline, and earn up to 10% cash back on major brands, gift cards, and P2P transfers to friends. So as you can see, crypto.com has a lot of utility. And once the fundamentals are there, then this exchange coin can go all the way up to the moon, like we say. So the fundamentals are backed. Now let's take a look at the actual technicals, the TA, because right now we're seeing a breakout of CRO. And if you look here on this chart, this is the 4-hour chart, we see our giant J shape right here. It went exponential back here in early February. We had this giant exponential move right here to the upside where we found our local top here at 27 cents. And since then, it has been consolidating in this nice symmetrical triangle that we love to see. We love to see this stuff because we know that a huge move is coming when we have these big macro patterns forming here. And we also see here, this is our resistance box line. We see a lot of touches right here. Also here as support on this upward trending support. We see some lows right here. So we're seeing a lot of touch points to validate this symmetrical triangle right here. And the best part about it is if we zoom in right here, we're going to be seeing a breakout happening. So I'm trying to pump this information out to you as fast as I can because I know time is vital for these kinds of videos right here. So let's take a look at that. And if you haven't already, please hit the like button. So we're seeing here, we're seeing on the 4-hour, we're seeing this EMA ribbon used as support. And we're seeing here this golden pocket area that's so critical because every time we've touched it, we've seen a rejection. Boom, rejection, rejection, bigger rejection, all the way here to this support line. And then we've seen another rejection. I actually talked about this coin in my altcoin video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And I talked about it when it was at 21 cents. So right around here, let's see, right around here. Yeah, like 2 days ago, right? So it was actually going towards this, resistance here towards the top. And I knew there was going to be a quick rejection, but that means it's a good time to load up, right? Because we're consolidating this huge triangle. And that's always the time that you want to be loading up and adding to your position in these altcoins if you're interested and if the technicals look good. So if we see here, we actually saw a rejection of this golden pocket. So we knew it was going to go down further, maybe retest this area right here on this Fibonacci support. But what I like to see here is when I was talking about it, it was at 21 cents. So far, there has been a move of about 12% already. So you can only imagine the gains that are yet to come because we see here that this triangle, symmetrical triangle breakout has a price target of 36 cents. And let's measure that. So starting here from the beginning of the breakout, we can see a 59% move, 58% move. So that's a huge move for crypto.com. And we also like to see, if we zoom out here, we're seeing confirmation. We want 4-hourly confirmation. So we want to see a retest coming in here. We want to see a move up here, probably get rejected by this fib level, come back down, use this as support, this resistance that was downward sloping right here, keeping the price in this triangle. We want to see it bounce off of this and move on to our next fib level here at the 27-cent mark. And then from there, ultimately hit our price target here at 36 cents. But that is not the end for crypto.com. I'm going to take a look at some other altcoins that are exchange tokens and just tell me if you see something familiar within all these patterns. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out here. If we look here, this is the pattern we got going on. This is crypto.com, okay? Next, we're going to see KuCoin. KuCoin is another exchange with its own token that has utility too. Now let's take a look at this one. You see the pattern going on here. We see this gigantic triangle forming right here. We take a look, right? Gigantic triangle, just like crypto.com. And we see a huge exponential move. This was a gigantic move. This was a move from around $4 all the way to the top here at $20. And we see a double top forming with a reversal happening. So now it's consolidating, but we have yet to see that for crypto.com. This coin, KuCoin, has the same thing. Also, what we see with Binance too, if we took a look at Binance, same symmetrical pattern right here, going up, huge rally to the upside towards our local top at $344. Then we see a long consolidation process here, consolidating in the symmetrical triangle. And then what do we see again? We see this huge parabolic move to the upside, and it's still pumping. So we saw from 250 all the way here to 600. So that is what I'm seeing here, forecasting for crypto.com coin. It is the same kind of exchange token. They have the same fundamentals. You get discounts on your trading fees, and we're seeing the same TA line up for these coins and these exchange coins. And the reason why these exchange coins are pumping is because of Coinbase. Coinbase's IPO is actually coming out tomorrow. And so a lot of investors from the stock market and the crypto market are speculating how much Coinbase is going to make and how much its value. We have some estimates of $100 billion. So it's a huge market cap, basically almost $250 per stock. So the valuation for Coinbase is very high, and we will find out tomorrow just exactly how valuable Coinbase is in the stock market. So we're going to see that tomorrow because it comes out Wednesday the 14th. So be on the lookout for that. I'm posting this video on tonight just so you're aware, and know that the potential of crypto.com to just exponentially move out of the symmetrical triangle through these graphs. So in conclusion, crypto.com has the potential to move exponentially out of this, break this ascending triangle, and move all the way up to the upside. So this is a great token to hold, especially if you aren't exposed to altcoins. You can get this token and just hold it and know that there's a utility to use for it, because if you're interested in buying more coins or using an exchange as a wallet or anything like that, wanting to stake, this crypto.com coin can help you with that if you're using their platform. But right now we're looking at this already in the middle of a breakout. So what you want to see is that retest of this resistance as support and then moving up to these Fibonacci levels. I got this retracement from going from the swing high back down to the swing low and seeing all these Fibonacci levels just print out right here. Remember, we see a lot of wave vibrations and movement through this golden pocket area where we've seen a bunch of price action go through. So we're finally using it as support, and we're moving towards the upside using this EMA ribbon also as support. So this is looking very bullish, and the breakout is just the beginning. So I'm not a financial advisor, but crypto.com is looking like a very good altcoin to be invested in at this time, especially with altcoin season that is here right now. We're seeing all this green across the board. These are a lot of these altcoins are in my video that I talked about. And we talked about Link up 11% since my video. We talked about crypto.com coin, which is up 12%, XRP, which was up 30%. I think I talked about it at $1.06. Now it's almost double that, so actually 100%. Ethereum, huge moves. Binance coin is also recuperating. Cardano too. Cardano actually just broke out recently, and now it's at $1.51. So it is actually moving really well. It's almost 7% up. And it's just a matter of time before we retest this triangle and just explode to the upside. And I am thinking that's going to be tomorrow, if not the end of this week, because Coinbase is going to be a huge catalyst to move the whole crypto market up. And that is it for this video. If you enjoyed my content, remember, hit the like, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be posting these videos as much as I can daily. I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow, which is a pretty crazy day for tomorrow because it's just a huge day for the whole crypto market. But I'm going to be going on vacation, and I'm going to be putting out videos here and there, but they're going to be shorter videos because I'm going to be away from my computer, my training computer. But still, I'm going to be uploading as much as I can and updating you with any important information that I find in any altcoins that I see moving exponentially or have indicators of that potential breakout. Because look, I pointed this out when it was at 21 cents 3 days ago, and that was the perfect time to buy. Now it's the perfect time to buy still because it is just breaking out. But if you want to be updated, remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. That is it for this video. Peace out.